David, I have a potential problem on the second floor.
Okay.
Those chilled water sleeves that we relocated last week, I'm not sure if they're in the right location.
Okay. Can you remember what point that is?
Point 1003.
Okay. Does this look like the right one?
Yeah.
Okay. So here it's showing where your sleeve is laid out in the field, and here's where you need to be per the coordinated model. It looks like you need to move from that sleeve down to there. I'll go ahead and compare these points. So I'm looking at point 1003, and it's telling me that there is a discrepancy in that point. So yeah, this is confirming our deviation, that you need to move the sleeve down to the coordinated model.
That's great, but I don't have the coordinates in my data collector anymore.
I can export it for you, the points.
Can you also get me that control point in that area also?
Sure, you bet. Since you guys have a total station, it's much easier to see the visual points than if you didn't have a total station. There's other points on here that we also need to take over by the stairwell. Obviously, there's no points in this section over here, so Frank, you're going to need to go up there and QA, QC this area. Our curtain wall supplier really likes this tool because I can add slab edge points, which I've already done right here.
Good luck in getting those coordinates from the curtain wall supplier.
It's pretty easy to do on the fly. I can place points.
Oh, so you're a CAD guy now?
Nope, not a CAD guy. This Navisworks is becoming a field tool. It's easy, it's visual, and our surveyors aren't spending all the time in the trailer getting the information. Now they have all the information on their tablet. Take a look at your data collector screen.
On my data collector, all I can see are my points. You're telling me your layout team can see everything?
Here's the one that we're using. I can actually see the building. I can add points with a tap, and Frank can actually use this tablet too out in the field to create points. He doesn't have to spend his time in the trailer getting the information that he needs to go out in the field. Now he has all the information with him, and he can see all the points from the other subcontractors and all the other trades in the field. The productivity increases, the layout and the QC also increases. Before we had this tool, our surveyors were always busy verifying slab edges and sleeve openings. And you know it's a huge issue when you miss a sleeve or you have a slab edge in the incorrect spot.
Productivity is huge, but improving QA/QC is the real benefit to our project and to the customers. That is where we see the real benefit.
I was noticing your tablet earlier. How can my company upgrade to one?
I wish it was that easy. Your company chose a proprietary tablet and software, whereas this is an open platform that everyone can use. Autodesk Navisworks is on the right path, and they definitely get the point.